Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to write SEO optimized content using ChatGPT. Yes, this is one of the favorite and trending topics happening in the world of digital marketing, whereby everyone is talking about using ChatGPT to roll out content, write SEO optimized content, and so on. But in this video, I'll give you 4 specific prompts that you can use one by one consecutively to trick ChatGPT to give you specific responses as per your needs. Once you give these prompts to ChatGPT, it will further understand what your needs are and it will give you highly optimized results, which is very effective and you can directly use it in your blog post or your website. So dive in and let us see what those prompts are. So let's quickly go to ChatGPT and start prompting. So I'll go to ChatGPT and give it prompt number 1, which reads something like, I'm planning to write an SEO-focused blog post on the topic. In my case, the topic I'm writing article on is how AI will impact SEO. I want to ensure that you grasp the concept before we begin. Then I'll ask it, can you confirm? And then I hit enter. Once I hit enter, it will start generating few responses, confirming that yes, it understands the context I'm talking about, and the context is how AI will impact SEO. Then we'll go ahead and type in the prompt number 2. Now in prompt number 2, we will ask it to do a certain action. For example, like before proceeding, ensure that the article addresses the following questions. Now these are the questions you want ChatGPT to address in your content that you're writing about, because these are the questions which are frequently asked questions, or these are the questions which your target audience are searching around the topic you're writing content on. Hunt these questions from Google SERP PAA feature, which is called as people also ask, or also you can go to answer the public and you can look forward to those questions around the niche you're talking about. In my case, the questions are: the question number 1, will AI kill SEO? Question number 2, will AI make SEO more relevant? Question number 3, will AI replace SEO? And then ask, please verify your understanding, and then I will hit enter. So once I hit enter, it starts generating few responses. Now in prompt number 3, I had written a few articles before on my website. I want to link those articles in the current article which ChatGPT is writing naturally for those anchor text. So the prompt would look like, your task also involves incorporating the given hyperlinks for certain articles or blog posts that I have written previously for my website. Okay, in the content that you are going to generate, here are the anchor text and the corresponding links. So anchor text number 1 is keyword research and the link. So I've written an article about keyword research. The primary keyword is keyword research itself, and that also becomes my anchor text. The second article is about ChatGPT prompts for SEO. That also becomes the primary keyword, and that is also the anchor text, and the link has been given. And towards the end, I will ask, could you confirm your understanding of this requirement? And then I will hit enter. Once I hit enter, it will start giving you certain kind of a response. Time for the final prompt, hopefully the final one, whereby we will ask it to do certain thing, and which is the final one. We are now prepared to begin writing the blog post. So our initial aim is to write a 800-word article for the topic that we are talking about right now. Use this anchor text to fit naturally in the article, and then I hit enter. So then it will start preparing an article for you based on the prompts that you have given. So what it will do is it will write a 800-word article, include all those questions that you want it to include. It will also give you hyperlinks to your anchor text, with your anchor text to your previous articles, and so on. And it will be 800-word SEO optimized article, and so on. So start using these 4 prompts for coming up with more effective SEO optimized content using ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you. So stay tuned. That's all for today. I'll be coming up with something very exciting soon. Bye bye and have a nice day.